Well, hello there, Tesla Noob World, and we have a new episode of software update. It's May 28th, and we have version 10.2, software release 2020.16.2.1. And I hope you're all safe. I hope the confinement is over wherever you reside. I hope you're healthy. And let's remove this mask protecting my console and let's see what's been updated. So, surprise, surprise, we have a new a Tesla toy box. The Tesla toy box has been redesigned to make it easier to view and play. Simply scroll through the toys and adjust the associated controls. As before, to access the Tesla toy box, tap the toy box icon from the application launcher, which we'll be looking at shortly. Nearby charging sites. The charging list has been improved to easily filter nearby charging sites based on max power. Simply tap the charging icon on the map and filter by selecting the associated lightning bolt icons. That's pretty good. Dashcam improvements is now easier to set up or erase after plugging a USB drive to tap. Controls safety and security. Format USB device to format and create an associated folder for Dashcam. This is pretty cool, especially for Windows 10 owners. Formatting a USB key, you needed a special third-party software to be able to, I think, format it in FAT33. Anyways, this is a pretty much um, PC jargon. So now you could do it directly from your Model 3 computer USB port. Backgammon improvements. Playing backgammon against your Tesla has now become more difficult. Oh, crap. Already that I was losing, now it's even more difficult. The most difficult level has now been trained with 20 plus million games. Challenge your Tesla to a game by tapping the application launcher where you could find the backgammon game before that. So looking into the settings, basically what we're going to do here, we're going to close this, we're going to tap here. So we do have a toy box icon completely to the right, and we have emission whoopee cushion, tracks, romance, sketchpad. So basically it's using the design from the games, which is pretty cool. Santa, Rainbow Road. Usually you need it to, I think you could still probably tap it. So if you pull down, no, you see you can't pull it down anymore from the Tesla icon on at the top. You absolutely need to open it from the toy box, and you get them here. Pretty cool. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the software update video, and hope to see you soon, guys. Be safe and wash the mans.